Take a moment to check out the 2019 Nissan Rogue. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, power passenger seat, power liftgate, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, backup camera, fog lamps. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.